Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 Earphones with Active Noise Cancellation launched. Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 earphones have been launched. The earphones are only available in black for now, but a white color variant is expected to be released in the coming weeks. The earphones are the successor to the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earphones, which were launched in India last year, and come with improved features and battery life. The new earphones take on the Apple AirPods Pro, thanks to the addition of active noise cancellation. Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 price in India versus competitors. The Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 is priced at $327.36, 24,990 rupees, similar to the pricing of its predecessor at launch. While definitely on the expensive side, Sennheiser hopes that improved battery life and the addition of active noise cancellation will make the earphones an attractive alternative to the Apple AirPods Pro, priced at 24,900 rupees in India, particularly for Android smartphone users who will be able to take advantage of support for the Qualcomm APS Bluetooth codec. Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 features and specifications. Like the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earphones that were launched last year, the Momentum True Wireless 2 supports the APS Bluetooth codec for improved wireless audio transmission. A big addition to the feature set is active noise cancellation, as Sennheiser looks to take on the Apple AirPods Pro in the premium true wireless earphones segment. Sennheiser claims that it has improved the battery life on the Momentum True Wireless 2, while also making the earphones more compact than its predecessor. The earphones now promise 7 hours per charge, with the case offering an additional 3 charges for a total of 28 hours of battery life per charge cycle. The Momentum True Wireless 2 is powered by 7mm drivers, and the listening experience can be tweaked and customized using the Sennheiser Smart Control app, available for iOS and Android. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.